Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm the Jalousie Fun Park. We're taking a walk here. You can see a flower garden on our left. We have a swing over here. There's a slide here on our left. And as you can see, it's starting to get dark. So this is what the playground looks like, guys, walking through. Wanted to bring you guys and take you through for a walk and have your observations. This here is a climbing dome. As you can see, you have a couple of slides. This is a seesaw here. And yes, guys, give your comments as to what you think of the work done here. You have some garbage bins here as well to keep the place tidy. Up here on our left, you have 2 swings and 2 slides as well. We have placed bench and table there to relax, and the Christmas trees are looking nice, beautiful. Place is starting to get dark, so it's showing a bit more. Got a full coconut right there. That's up on the seawall there, the bench. Another Christmas tree on our left, the small ones. And up ahead there is the huge one that they put up. So yes, guys, this is what the fun park is looking like. As you can hear the kids, you can see the kids are having fun here. And comment. There's another flower pot here, right? Flower place, not a pot. But that's, you know, to make the place look more beautiful. And yeah, another Christmas tree here. A couple more up there, a few more up there. And as you can see, the kids are having fun. It's being used by a lot of families that come here, relax and bring their kids and hang out and so on. So let's have your comments, guys, so you think of it, if there's things that should have been done differently, or you know, could have been done better, or if it's just a good thing, you know. No, job well done. And here is you have a snowman here as well, and of course the big Christmas tree, the center attraction of the ground right now. And that's what it is, guys. So looks beautiful. As you can see, as I said, there's lots of families here. This is not really a peak time, but there's still quite a few people here enjoying the park. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed a little walk through the Jalousie Fun Park. And as always, thanks for watching. Please give a like, subscribe, share the video. And as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.